Everyone, this is MakeMaster, and today I want to tell you that how can you print your drawings in a scale, or you can make a layout for your drawings. Okay, today I want to start from you have your plan in model file, then come to layout. Okay, click on layout. If you come to layout, then you see a viewport here. You must bring your title block here. I want to extract my title block, attach drawing, X or enter. Okay, first let me tell you that X or enter for extract files, attach drawing, and X sheet. X sheet is my title block. Bring it here, and it came. Yes, it is. Oh, yes, it is very small, and I want to scale that. SC enter. From here, give it a reference or enter. Okay, from here up to here, just drag it and give your value 420 millimeter. My drawing is in millimeter. Then Ctrl P. I use my previous plot, A3 paper size, center the plot, monochrome, fit the paper, take a window from here up to here, and apply to layout. Okay, just preview that. Yes, it is my title block here. And this scale is A3 paper size. And now if I want to bring a viewport here, just write viewport in the command viewport. I forgot W, viewport, and enter that. Okay, that, and specify your 2 points of viewport. From here up to here is my viewport. Okay, that one is my viewport. That is the plan which was in the model file. Okay, here if I double click and by right click here, I can came to inside of a viewport, and also I can change the scale of my viewport, and here I can lock or unlock my viewport. If I lock that, I can move everywhere, or I can pan everywhere, and if it's unlock, I can zoom out or zoom in on my model. Okay, now I want to tell you that how can we fix the scale of our drawing. First of all, came to home and bring this command here from tools, toolbar, Autocad, and also the last one is viewport. Okay, viewports, check that this option will come here. Then right double click the outside of the viewport and right click on the viewport, and then give it a scale by 100 scale. Okay, yes, it is small. Now I can change that 1 to the 80. Yes, maybe good, or 1 to the 70, maybe great. Okay, I have that one, and also I can lock my viewport that I can do anything here, and also I can write something here, or if I want to bring another viewport here, just write down viewport again, viewport, and double click again, specify the 2 points. Yes, I can bring viewport again here, and also if I want to bring another one, just write down viewport. Yes, I can bring another one here. Okay, now if I print that one here, I want to tell you that one secret. Okay, preview. Yes, here you have a viewport border here, and also here, and also here. For removing that, just click on your viewport and change the layer to div point. Okay, div point, and that one as well change to div point. Now I want to get print here, previous plot. Yes, I remove that one. Okay, here I have 3 plans with different scales. This scale is 1 to the 70, and this is non-scale. By this method you can bring a change, or you can print your models or drawings by scale. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and follow my next videos here. Bye bye.